I'd like to talk about healing the mind and finding the self. And I want to do it with a short story. Many, many years ago, true story, I hadn't quite got my act together. I was studying NLP and I'd got as far as I could go and I'd kind of hit a block. And I knew that I didn't have the answers, try as I might. I was struggling. And so once I knew that I needed help, things started to happen. In fact, when I was in a bookshop, I asked the owner of the bookshop, did they know anyone that could take me to a higher level with NLP? The answer was yes, and I got a telephone number. I met this lady, a remarkable lady. She was to have such an amazing impact on my life. And that was over 3 sessions, each one lasting around an hour. So in 3 hours, this lady absolutely turned my life around. And what she did, she asked me questions. She asked me questions. She never gave answers, she only asked questions. But the questions were very, very powerful. So I'm going to offer you a free chat. My name is Joseph Garrity. I run the School of Mastery. And on this free chat, I will ask you some questions. And at the end of it, if you feel you'd like to know more about healing the mind, finding your real self, I'd be delighted to help you. School of Mastery, Joseph Garrity, give me a call. We'll set up a free chat.